Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gradient letter icon logo design, so let's get started. First I open my Illustrator and open my drawing file. Drawing file link, check the description box. Now use a line segment tool. Now it's copy. Now double select and copy. Then it's copy and some rotate. Now, make a rectangle shape. Then it's some rounded. Then it's copy. Now select and use a shape builder tool. Oh, it's some problem. So it's connected. Okay, now. Now extra side remove. Now some rounded. Now, color selection. I use a gradient color. Oh, it's look beautiful. Okay, today's video is end, so please subscribe my channel. Bye.